Hi, everybody. Sorry I'm not there in class again. I am here at school and I'm not trying to just miss your class, but I am in language arts interviews. We're hiring 2 new language arts teachers for next year. And so I am on the interview committee for that, and they're taking place during this class. So it couldn't be helped. I will miss you. I will see you tomorrow. But here's what you've got going for today with Mrs. Delatorre. First things first, please respect her and her time. This is her plan period, and she is here with you. So really, she's just there as a guide, and then you should be working through everything I'm asking you to work through on your own without being a problem. Okay? So here's what you've got going for today. You're watching this video, then elective registration should be done. Hopefully, Miss Ness helped you take care of all of that. For the remainder of the block, we are going to be working on your argumentative writing pre-assessment. So our last big unit of the school year is argumentative writing. And we're going to start today with a short reading selection and then a little packet that's going to ask you to look at parts of the reading, to work with important vocab, and then you're going to complete an essay plan today for your pre-assessment. So your objectives for today, I want you to start knowing, these are pretty much our objectives for the week, actually. We're going to make sure you know what makes an argumentative essay different from other forms of writing. Just like we worked on how's an infographic different, how's a poem different, how's a short story different. So now it's how's an argumentative essay different. You're going to understand through this whole process that a clear claim, relevant, credible data, and strong explanations are crucial for developing an effective argument. Today, will be able to is read and utilize a text to make a prove and claim it. That's your essay pre-assessment. Okay, check back in and pay attention if you've zoned out, because this is where I'm going to take you through everything you're going to do today. You are going to be reading 2 short little argumentative letters that were student written. The topic of the letters is, should the school week be shorter? Now, I chose this one because it is super relevant to your life. If you don't know yet, our board has adopted a calendar for next year where most of the year we will not have school on Mondays. So you essentially have 4-day school weeks next year. So in these 2 essays, one student has decided they are for shorter school weeks, and they will tell you why. And one student has decided they are against shorter school weeks, and they will tell you why. So you will follow the link in Google Classroom, read both of the essays, and then after you've read both of the essays, you are going to grab the packet in the center of the table. I'm going to go through this packet with you in a second, but this is what you will be working on for the remainder of the block. If you stay quiet and on task, you can work with one other person. You're going to need the essays up. You're going to have to go back through them a lot, but you can sit next to someone and you can work on this together. If you get too loud or you're off task, Miss Delatorre is just going to send you right back to your seats and you have to work on your own. I'm going to go to Google Classroom now. Almost done. Hopefully you're still listening. So when you open your Google Classroom in a moment, here is what you will see. I want you to pay close attention to part 1, which is for today, and then part 2, which is for tomorrow. Part 1, I expect you to read both argumentative essays on scope. You can get headphones and listen to them if you choose to. Part 2, get the packet and complete the scavenger hunt pages, there are 2 of them, and the vocabulary pages. Then, if you get through with that, start planning your argumentative essay, and those pages are at the end of the packet. That is all you will do for today. There's no way you will finish all of that, but I want you to work to try and get as much done as you can. You will store the packet in your toolbox today when you leave, and then you will have it there for tomorrow. Here is what the packet looks like. So after you read, the scavenger hunt pages ask you to find specific parts of the essay and write them in here. Those will be direct quotes. There are 2 pages. When you finish that, you will go to the vocabulary portion. This first page of vocabulary is just an information page. You do not do anything on these pages. It's just the definitions. The page you are going to work on is this page. So use the previous page to answer these questions. If you finish that, here's where your argumentative essay plan starts. So you get to decide what you think about a shorter school week. Yes, I agree. No, I don't. Write your claim. So then you follow each step and it asks you to plan for each part. When you get through part 6 and you see step 7, this is where you stop. This is for tomorrow. Okay, so hopefully you've got it all and I haven't talked too much and you're still listening. At this point, I'm going to say bye and I'll see you tomorrow. Please be good. Please do what you're supposed to. Go ahead and head to Google Classroom, go to Scope, and start your reading.